Alright YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Revo D5 pump top in RGB. We are going to be installing this onto, this is just the top, so we're just going to be installing this directly onto the where the old pump top is. So we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing, not so much a review. I'm going to be showing how I install this on there, which it's super easy. I've taken the pump top off before. This just goes right back on, just swapping the part out. And then I'll do a little bit of video of what the RGB settings look like on there with the coolant in there. To be noted, I do have view coolant in there, so I'm going to have to drain that out, swap this stuff out, and then put that fluid back in. So let's get to it. Alright guys, here we go. So now we have this pump top we're going to be doing an unboxing on. Spoiler alert, I already broke the seals. Saved me some time on video. You guys from having to watch me fool with them things. So we're going to dig right into this thing. I always forget how to open these. There it is. Alright, installation guide. Go away. You go away too. Get your foam stuff. Alright, so they give you another anti-vibration mount. Oh, that's the top, we'll get to that. They give you another bracket, though I don't know why, because you need the pump, and the pump would come with one. But take this as an extra. I'll just keep an extra. That'll be okay. Comes with the sticker drill hole pattern guide sheet, whatever you want to call that. Comes with all the mounting hardware, the Allen wrenches. Yeah, because these take Allen wrench ones, and then the actual retentioner right here for it takes a different size. So there's two different Allen wrenches in here. Another shock mount. There's a shock mount in here already. I don't know what you would really need to use this one for. I've never been able to figure that one out. So if anybody knows when you would use this one, comment down below, because I'd like to know too. I've just never had a reason to try to mess with it. Don't need any of that stuff because I'm just upgrading a current pump I already have in here. Don't need that. Alright, so let's take a look at the goods. What? Really? These stickers they use on the plastic is really weird. Oh, it's like embedded into it. Huh, okay. Don't lose your O-rings, guys. Okay. So they've actually screwed a new mounty piece down in here, and it's got the strip around the outside there. So this is going to screw in, and then you got the spring. You'll see me when I do the install guide how this works. I've only done it one time as far as taking the top off when I wanted to clean the pastel out of my my loop to prepare for view, the view coolant. So just trying to put this thing back on so I don't lose it. Again, this is an RGB 4-pin header, and that's going to be it. Don't forget to take your stickers off, which I'll do later. This thing seems pretty sturdy. I like this. It's nice. Alright, well, I will see you when I start to install this thing. Alright guys, so now we're going to be swapping these parts out now that I have this thing out. Don't mind how dirty and disgusting it looks in here. This is 5 months with Prima-Chill View coolant. I'm looking to do some update videos on that once I clean all the rest of the loop out eventually. But for now, View is going to go back in it. 6 months is in a month, so I'll be doing a video then. Pro tip, if you have any of these things like jar openers or anything, If you know you need to mess with this, go to your mom's house, your grandma's house, find a female friend, or not saying men don't have these in their kitchen, but maybe you do, maybe you don't. If you have one, cool. If not, go find someone that's got one, because you're going to have nothing to grip on this thing if you don't. Now I'm trying to remember how this works. Seems like I don't know what I'm doing. It's because I've only done this once. I think I actually need to... There we go. You got to get this ring loose first. But to do that, you got to use this to have leverage. Or at least that's what I'm gonna act about it. Look at that, bam, super easy. So, ooh, gross. This is gross. I'm gonna rinse this thing out. Oh, well, that wiped off clean enough. Look at that, fantastic. This is disgusting. Yeah, I'm gonna rinse this thing off. This is the impeller for it. I just want to get all the junk at it. It just looks disgusting. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so let's go. We're gonna put this thing back in here. It's not the most cleanest thing ever, but I'll have to deal with that later when I do my real breakdown video. I don't know how I'm gonna get this thing fully clean. I'm gonna have to let it soak in something. Alright, so this thing goes back in. Probably help if I took this ring off. Alright, so this thing just goes straight on here. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's a bad place for that. That just ruined my whole thing, I think. The aesthetic I like. Alright, well, it's on here. Oh, this is nasty. Alright. Alright guys, gals, that is it. That is all you gotta do. I will pull this off when I get done. This is the old pump top. I'm gonna... Oh, it's still dripping. I'm gonna be doing some stuff on this later, trying to clean that up. I might try to sell it or something. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't really need it anymore. I don't know. Well, next part of this is gonna be... It's gonna be installed, and we're gonna try to work this thing out. Alright guys, as you can see, the pump is now in. I've routed the cable underneath just to keep that tucked out the way, and it's going through the hole for here for that SSD. So I have it in rainbow mode now through the Asus Aura software. So I'm going to let you guys take a look at that. This is actually exactly how I wanted this effect to look out and how I kind of imagined it kind of working out in my system. I know it's light. It's the middle of the daytime, so take that with a grain of salt. It'll obviously be a lot brighter during the nighttime, or a little bit more pronounced, I guess I should say. But I'm gonna leave this here with you guys checking it out. That's that. I really have nothing bad to say about this pump top with the RGB. I like it a lot. Other than that, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.